gorgeous. So hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Amaris. If you're returning, I love you. Today I'm coming to you guys with a hair tutorial from UNice Hair. It sent me their bye knots wig. It's a 7x5, so the closure ends like here. This wig is very beginner friendly as it's already bleached, it's already plucked, everything's already done for you. You don't need to do anything, and it's glueless. So if you're new to wearing wigs or you just like find it very hard to install, I highly recommend this hair. In the video you see the hair in this raw straight form, and then you'll also see me curl it and do like a hair tutorial and show you guys how I achieve these beautiful curls. Nothing in this wig. I'm just putting my stick on now. I put nothing on prior to that, and I love this wig. The Yaki texture is so nice. I've never had a Yaki texture wig, and it straightens so well. Like, it's beautiful. 24 inches hair. I'm gonna use a hot gun to just flatten it a little bit, but it's just amazing. This crinkle in there because of the clip, but cut the hair. I think tomorrow I'm gonna curl it. I'm thinking to layer the front as well, but I'm not sure. But this is so nice. I put nothing on it. I didn't have to bleach the knots. I didn't have to do anything to this wig, which is what I love because I have work, so I don't really have time to do my hair. So this is so good. I literally just took it out the packet and put it on. Bleached, just plucked, everything is just perfect. Like, look at the knots. Too good. I need to part it again because I think I shifted the part a little bit. I always do that. Guys, when I tell you you don't need to do nothing to this wig, nothing. So I actually think I'm gonna cut the wig a little bit. So just gonna cut the front a tiny bit, just because when I curl it, I want it to have some layers in it. Guys, wish me luck. I hope this bangs. To be fair, my mum was a hairdresser, so I should be alright at this. I've watched her do it a million times, but was I paying attention? Not really. Not really. Just so when I curl the front. Oh. Let's have a bit of graduation. This side was actually better than the other side, but I think I'm just better on this side. Yeah, so I just added a bit of, ooh, okay. So when I style this tomorrow, you guys will see me. Then I'm gonna curl it, I'm gonna do waves, and then I'm gonna also do some like hairstyles with it. Like, okay, cool. So this needs to be cut a little bit more. I'm gonna do hairstyles with it like this. and then with it back like this, and the front 2 parts curled. So I'm going to show you guys that too.
I just be tripping my hoes. That's a whole nother level shot. I got these hoes on their toes. I put the bitch on the road. She tryna fuck on my old. I got this whole bitch. She tryna show me some. I got flows today. These niggas ain't on none. Me and my boy like me, you know we on one. We ain't spot going crazy until the sun up. You worried about that hoe I'm chose up. Bitch, that pistol solid in the kitchen, can't get the cold up. Yeah. Like they know it. Double O kick the shit we told us. Switch out the bed, these niggas get rolled. Everything hit, everything.
Okay, so guys, I've done my edges. I've installed the wig. I've used hairspray to install it as I am going out. It's gonna be a long night. So it doesn't need a hairspray, but I just added a little bit because that's what I'm used to doing. So I'm about to do my makeup quickly, and then I'm gonna show you guys the hair. I'm gonna curl the hair and show you guys the process of me curling it. I'm just gonna do some waves. I want to do my makeup quickly. So guys, look at this wig. It looks so nice. I'm gonna now curl it. I don't think I need to, but I'm going out and I've got a couple looks. I want to do some like different things to it, so I'm gonna just curl it so that when I want to change the style, I'm giving variation, you know. But yeah, I love it. It looks so good. hair with a curling wand, and then I use a comb and I brush up the curls, but make it so it's uniform, and I'll get these waves. So this is how I get my like body waves, using a curler. I think I need to, and it just gives me these beautiful curls. This hair is gorgeous, gorgeous. I don't even have to do too much to it. Just tease the curls, like bounce it back up. Let me put it up. Evan. Oh shit. Just so that the hair at the top stays up. Because that's how I want it to stay, but when it comes to the waves, it just does its own thing. Oh, this is gorgeous. UNice hair, 10 out of 10. Look at this. These waves were so easy to do. I missed the part, but yeah, the hair really holds curls as well, so that is what I like when I get straight hair. Some hair doesn't hold the curls, but this really holds it. Look at that. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked this hair. Thank you UNice Hair for sponsoring this video and sending me this gorgeous hair. Look at this, look at the quality. I just love it. So make sure you like, subscribe and share, and also let me know what hair color you want me to do next. I want to do something bold, something for the new year. But yeah, I love you guys. Bye.